In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a refund in Xero accounting software. This is an essential skill for any business owner or accountant who wants to keep their books in impeccable shape, ensuring everything reflects accurately on your financial statements. Let's dive in. The first step you'll want to do is to log into your Xero account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once there, enter your registered email and password. If you're on a secure device, you might want to check the Remember Me option to make this process even quicker in the future. After entering your credentials, hit the login button and you'll be taken straight into your Xero dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find various tools and options at your disposal. Here, look specifically for the Business tab. It's located at the top of your screen. Click on it. Within the Business tab, you'll see a drop-down menu. Navigate through this menu and select the Invoices option. This section is where you'll typically manage all your sales invoices, so it's essential to get familiar with it. From within the Invoices section, proceed to click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This list will display all invoices that your business has issued but have not yet been paid. Scroll through the list to find the specific invoice that you'll be processing a refund for and click on it. Now that you've selected the invoice, the next step is to enter the refund details. First, you'll want to specify the amount you plan to refund. Ensure that this amount aligns with your records to avoid discrepancies later. Following this, set the date for the refund. Typically this would be the actual day you're processing the refund, but you can also backdate it if necessary to reflect the refund in the desired financial period. After setting the date, you need to decide which account to use for the refund. This choice usually aligns with where you wish the funds to be drawn from, such as your primary business account or a specific refund account depending on how your finances are structured. If you desire, you can also include a reference note. This could be the reason for the refund or a transaction ID, whatever might make it easier to track in the future. Now that you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Cross-check the refund amount, the date, and the chosen account. Once you're confident everything looks correct, click on the Add Refund button. By doing so, you've successfully recorded the refund in Xero. This entry will adjust your accounts receivable and ensure your financial records are up to